Good morning, my dear students. You all are welcome again in New Delhi Public School Khodi Pakad channel. Today we will discuss about each president of India, and you can look the each president's picture, and I will discuss in short about each president. First, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was first president of India. He was born in Bihar, Saran, present district Siwan, Jiradei. Tenure 26 January 1952, 13 May 1962. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India who had worked as president for 2 terms. He was also the president of the Constituent Assembly and the chief leader of the Indian independence movement. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1962. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. My students, how can you forget the name of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan? He was second president of India, and you all celebrate Teachers' Day on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. You can watch carefully the picture of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan here. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888, and this day is celebrated as Teachers' Day. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1954. What is this? I can't tell about this point, and because I have to discuss only about president in short, that's why I will not discuss more. Third, Dr. Zakir Hussain. Dr. Zakir Hussain, country's first Muslim president. Tenure 13 May 1967 to 3rd May 1969. Dr. Zakir Hussain became the first Muslim president of India and died at his post. The immediate vice president V.V. Giri was made the acting president. After that, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Muhammad Hidayatullah became acting president from 20 July 1969 to 24 August 1969. He was the most famous table player in India. Muhammad Hidayatullah was awarded the Padam Bhushan in the field of art by Government of India in 2002. He also brought a revolution of education in India. Under his leadership, National Muslim University Jamia Millah Islamia was established. Now we will discuss about V.V. Giri. V.V. Giri only president elected as the independence candidate. Tenure 24 August 1969 to 24 August 1974. You can look here. Tenure 24 August 1969 to 24 August 1974. V.V. Giri was the fourth president of India. His full name was Vadagiri Venkata Giri. He became only the person to be elected president as an independent candidate in 1975. He was awarded with Bharat Ratna. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Next, fifth, our president, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, tenure 24 August 1974 to 11 February 1970. Okay, I'm just telling you 1977. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad was fifth president of India. He was the second president who died in the post of the president. V.D. Dutt was made acting president. Neelam Sanjeev Reddy. His tenure 25th July 1977 to 25th July 1982. Neelam Sanjeev Reddy became the sixth president of India. He was the first chief minister of Andhra Pradesh. He was directly elected to the post from Lok Sabha speaker and became the youngest president who occupied Rashtrapati Bhavan and contested twice for the post of president. Next, Gyani Jail Singh. You can look his picture, and his tenure 25th July 1982 to 25th July 1987. Prior to be becoming the president, he was also the chief minister of Punjab and the minister at the center. He also used pocket veto on the Indian Post Office bill. During his presidency, many incidents took place, such as Operation Blue Star. The assassination of Indira Gandhi and the 1984 anti-Sikh riots. Next, R. Venkata Raman. He was the 8th President of India. His tenure was 25th July 1987 to 25th July 1992. R. Venkata Raman was elected as the President of India from 25th July 1987 to 25th July 1992. Earlier, he was Vice President of India from 1984 to 1987. He has received many honors from different parts of the world. He is a receiver of Tamra Patra for his contributions to Indians' freedom struggle. Beside this, the Russian government had conferred the Soviet Land Prize for writing the tribute on former Tamil Nadu Prime Minister Kumar Swamy Kamaraj. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma was 9th President of India. You can look his picture. His tenure was 25th July 1992 to 25th July 1997. He was the 8th Vice President of India before becoming President from 1952 to 1956. He was the Chief Minister of Bhopal and Cabinet Minister from 1956 to 1967. The International Bar Association gave them the Living Leg of Law Award of recognition due to multi achievements in the legal profession. Next, K.R. Narayan. K.R. Narayan was the first Dalit President of India. His tenure was 25th July 1997 to 25th July 2002. K.R. Narayan was the first Dalit President of India and the first Malayali person to receive the highest office of the country. He was the first president to vote in the Lok Sabha election and addressed the State Assembly. Next, we will discuss about the great personality and people know about this personality as a missile man. His name is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the first scientist who became the President of India. His tenure was 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam came to be known as Missile Man of India. He was the first scientist who took over the post of president and the first president of India who won the most votes in his directional Rohini 1 satellite, Agni and Prithvi missiles were successfully launched. The Pokhran 2 nuclear test conducted in India in 1998 after the original nuclear test of 1974 saw him in a next श्रीमती प्रतिभा सिंह पाटिल. Srimati Pratibha Singh Patil was first woman president of India. Her tenure was 25th July 2007 to 25th July 2012. She was the governor of Rajasthan before becoming the president. From 1962 to 1985, she was the member of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly 5 times and was elected from Amravati to the Lok Sabha in 1991. Not only this, she is also the first woman president to fly Sukhoi. Next, third, Pranab Mukherjee. You can look his picture. His tenure 25th July 2012 to 25 July 2017. Pranab Mukherjee was the finance minister in the central government before contesting the presidential election. He was awarded the Best Parliamentary Award in 1997 and Padam Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian honor, in 2008. Next, 14th, Ram Nath Kovind. You are looking his picture. Ram Nath Kovind was born on 1 October 1945 in Uttar Pradesh, India. He is an Indian lawyer and politician. He is the 14th and current President of India. He became the President on 25th July 2017 and is a member of Bharatiya Janata Party. He is the former governor of Bihar. His approach towards political problems earned him